Welcome back to my channel Math School. In today's video, let us solve question number 4 from exercise 7.2, chapter 7, coordinate geometry. In my previous videos, I've completed the distance and section formula, examples 1 to 10 and exercise 7.1 and questions 1 to 3 from the same exercise. If you have not watched these videos, do find the link in the description box below or click the I button video. Question number 4 from exercise 7.2, chapter 7, coordinate geometry says, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10 and 6, 8 is divided by -1, 6. So here we have to find out the ratio in which the line segment is divided by a point that is -1, 6. Here the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment is given and we have to find out ratio in which it divides the line segment. So first let us draw the figure for better understanding. This is the line segment given by 2 points A and B, right, whose coordinates are given here as -3, 10 and 6, -8. So we have a point P whose coordinates are given as -1, 6, which divides this line segment AB in the ratio M1 is to M2. So we have to find out the value of M1 and M2 here. So again, whenever they ask us to find out the ratio or the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment AB, we have to use the section formula. So first of all, let us write down, let point P given as -1, 6 divides the line segment joining points point A given by -3, 10 and point B given by 6, -8. So here there are two methods to solve this problem by using section formula. Either we can assume the ratio to be M1, M2 or we can assume the ratio to be K is to 1. If we assume the ratio to be K is to 1, it will be more simpler for us to solve the problem as it is given in the textbook. So let the point divides the line segment joining the points A and B in the ratio K is to 1. So let us first write down the section formula, which is given by M1 into x2 plus M2 into x1 divided by M1 plus M2. So this is the x coordinate part and the y coordinate part will be M1 into y2 plus M2 into y1 divided by M1 plus M2. So this section formula basically gives us the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment AB in the ratio M1 is to M2. So this is nothing but the coordinates of a point. But already they have given us the coordinate of the point is -1, 6. Now here we have to find out here the value of M1 and M2, that is the ratio in which this point divides the line segment. So since we assumed here the ratio to be K is to 1, so we will substitute M1 is equal to K and M2 is equal to 1 in the formula, and also let us assume point A to be x1, y1 and point B to be x2, y2, right? So now let us apply the section formula. So as I told you already, the coordinates of the point P, that is -1, 6 is already given. So we will equate this to our section formula. So point P, that is -1, 6 is equal to the value of M1 is K into x2 is 6 plus M2 is 1 into x1 is -3 divided by M1 plus M2, that is K plus 1. The y coordinate part will be M1 is K again into y2 is -8 plus M2 is 1 into y1 is 10 divided by M1 plus M2, that is K plus 1. So here let us simplify further. So 6K into 6 will be 6K. Here plus 1 into -3 is -3 divided by K plus 1. Again K into -8 is -8K plus 10 into 1 is 10 divided by K plus 1. So this is the coordinates of the point P which is given. Now since we know already the coordinate of point P, let us equate the x coordinate part with the x coordinate given in the formula, that is 6k minus 3 by k plus 1, to find out the value of k. Again, later on we can equate the y coordinate part with the y coordinate given here, that is 6, to find out the value of k. In both the cases, the k value obtained will be same. Okay, so let us first equate the x coordinate part. So here the x coordinate is given as minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3 divided by k plus 1. So let us cross multiply here. So minus 1 into k plus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3. So multiplying minus with k plus 1, it is minus k, plus into minus will be minus 1 equal to 6k minus 3. So let us send the k to right hand side and 3 to left hand side. So this minus 3 will become plus 3. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 6k minus k will become plus k. So how much this will be? 3 minus 1 will be 2 equal to 6k plus k is 7. Sending this 7 to left hand side. So k value will be equal to 2 divided by 7. So here we got the k value. Similarly, if you equate the y coordinates part, again the same value of k will be obtained. Let me show you that. So equating the y coordinate, 6 is equal to minus k plus 10 divided by k plus 1. Again cross multiplying, we get 6 into k plus 1 is equal to minus 8k plus 10. So multiplying 6 into k will be 6k plus 6 into 1 is 6 is equal to minus 8k plus 10. So let us send the terms with k variable to left hand side and let us send this 6 to right hand side. Minus 8k will become plus 8k plus 6k is equal to 10 plus 6 will become minus 6. So 8k plus 6k is how much? 14k is equal to 10 minus 6 is 4, right? So k is equal to 4 divided by cancelling 2 times to 7 times 14. So therefore we got the value of k as equal to again 2 by 7, which is same as we obtained by equating the x coordinate part, right? We got 2 by 7 and 2 by 7. Now initially we had assumed the ratio to be k is to 1, right? So here we got k value as 2 by 7 is to 1. Now this 7 is multiplied here, so the ratio becomes 2 is to 7, or when you multiply by 7 on both the side. So here 7 into 2 by 7, 7 and 7 will get cancelled, and again multiplying by 7 here you get 2 is to 7. Therefore you can write down the ratio in which a point P divides line segment is 2 is to 7. So this is how we solve this problem. It is also an important problem. So do practice this problem, and if you have any further doubts, you can comment me below in the comment section. In my next video, I'll be solving question number 5 from exercise 7.2, chapter 7, coordinate geometry. So till then, do like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos, as I'll be completing the whole syllabus for class 10th SLC and CERT Math. And also do watch the related videos of chapter 7, coordinate geometry shown on the screen. Thank you.